Hi, привет таки. It's a full body flow, 10 minutes. If you need some break during the day or you need kind of recover yourself or something like that. I was lucky today to be late in one thing and it's almost saved my life today if you follow some news. So we're gonna actually start standing. Take deep inhale, reach both hands up, close your eyes. Elevate your shoulders to your ears and exhale. Now you're gonna roll down and your fingers, they're gonna start the movement down and you're rolling yourself down. And maybe your knees is bent and eyes could be closed. Now we're gonna draw 4 circles with a relaxed head to the right and to the left. You can pick your own speed, and if you watch it later, I really love to use option on YouTube, for example. You can speed it or you can make it slower if I'm too fast for you. Well done. And now we're gonna maybe hug the elbows and we're gonna hang it out from side to side, swing. 4, 3, 2, 1. I recommend to keep your eyes closed, but as well you can open them if you feel unsafe in this position. Knees are still soft. And now on inhale, we're gonna do a cat-cow version in that position. So you're gonna round your spine, inhale, and exhale, you're gonna try to do arching as much as your body allows you. It could be even 1 millimeter, just a little bit. You might feel your hamstrings and activation on your feet as well. And to add a little bit more challenge, you can elevate your toes up. Well done. 2 and 1. Inhale. With exhale through the mouth, we're gonna relax all the way down. Kind of now the position of standing, relaxing fold. And we just breathe here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And we're slowly gonna walk to downward facing dog. Allow yourself to keep your knees bended if you feel like. You shouldn't feel stress in this position. Maybe even you can go on a first position on your knees and do cat-cow from your knees, or we can do again cat-cow but in a downward facing dog position. So our cat gonna be round back. You press your heels as much as possible to the mat. Tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale and exhale, arch. And look forward during the arch. Our beautiful cow in a downward facing dog. And 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Last but not least. Inhale. And exhale. Because we don't have much time, life is going on, we're gonna round all the way to the plank. Then we're gonna go to the side plank, come back to the center, switch to another side, to the center, and 2 times we're gonna sit on the heels. And here you can add the push-up, or you can just take a pause here, or 1 more time sit and stay here, or add the push-up. And our facing dog. Here will be the combination. We're gonna do 4 times pedaling their heel down, 1 by 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. And 4 seconds in a downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Round yourself to the plank, then side plank, center, push up or pause in the plank. Other side, center, stay here, or push up, downward facing dog. Now we're gonna move 1 foot kind of in the center, and another one gonna tuck right here. If it's unavailable for you, you can maybe just pedal in and skip this exercise. And if it's okay for you, you can be here. And we just breathe. Inhale. Exhale. And we switch. Inhale. For those of you who feel bored a little bit here, you can add a little bit cat-cow. Tuck your posterior and anterior tilt position, like this. Or maybe just stay like this way. Very nice. Deep stretch in your calves. Well done. Switch again, and now we're going to elevate the one leg up. Bend your knee. And we're just going to flex and point the foot. 5. If it's uncomfortable for you, you can lower your knee now and do it in this direction. 4, 3, 2, 1. And maybe for circles with a bended knee, or could be with extended leg. Here, up to you. And change the direction. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now bring the knee to the same arm, maybe elbow, or maybe higher. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back to the plank and hold. Chaturanga. Inhale. Exhale. Knees down. We go to Anahatasana. If your wrist feels a bit stressed, all this movement, I highly recommend to go take a pause of this video later and elevate your palms like this way, and then maybe do like this, because if you feel that your wrist is stressed, the better thing is like activate the opposite muscles, and then this muscles which was stressed in your wrist gonna let you go from pain. And we switch the leg. Again, you are free to do it from the knee like this, or we stay here and do flex and point. Foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And circle with a bended knee or straight leg. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And reverse. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And bring the knee to the same arm. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upper facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Lower your knees. Anahatasana. Exhale. Well done. Then we go for the plank, and we're gonna hold the knee to the chest, maybe 4 taps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then step between, and we're in lounge pose. 4, 4, 3, 2. You may stay here, or we shift ourselves to the warrior 3, just to, wake up your body and the brain, your cerebellum area. 4, 3, 2. You can a little bit stay here, or you can touch with a toe down and light kick. For better engagement for your glutes, I recommend you to bend your standing leg and do like this direction. Then you have like double works on both of your glutes. Important thing that the glutes is working, not your back. Maybe you can hold something, and maybe you can lower your body like this if your back is in stress. 4, 3, 2, 1. And just a few more seconds. Maybe you can add the twist or in air. 4, 3, 2, 1. Half moon. And step back. Warrior 2. You can go to the peaceful warrior. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you see I did a little mistake. I mean, not a mistake, but could be better. Like, you can sit a little bit more here. And maybe some Trikonasana moment here. Or you can go to the bind. But if you do the bind, I'd recommend to not keep this arm like this bent, extend it. Then you see the difference between my shoulder now, like this, it's closed. And like this, I open there new possibilities for my body. Well done. Come back, warrior 2. And here we go, we met with the team 1 in lounge pose. Step back, Chaturanga, upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, at the leg. 4 taps. 4, 3, 2, 1. And between. Exhale, stay. Maybe play a little bit here. Ideally, you should be like, it's always many ways to go further. And if you feel bored here, you can go further, elevate the heel and go as much as possible there. And then you shift yourself back. And again, like this way. And we shift to the warrior 3. A little bit here, a little bit there. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. And sit on one leg. Optional as well. 10 times. Real time. Everyday practice could be different. And it's okay if you lost some balance. Just continue, because the best practice is a practice you don't skip today. Or let me know your opinion. I will read it after. 4, 3, 2, and stay. And maybe add some twist. And half moon. And warrior 2. Not the smooth, but better than nothing. Or skip the balance part at all. Well done. Peaceful warrior. Remember to add some weight on the front leg here. Tuck your tailbone in. Inhale. Exhale. And Trikonasana. And now you can see what I'm talking about, this arm. And if you go further in the bind, try to keep the arm like this, not like this. Better to bring some, for example, bend like this and do like this way if you need a little bit more space. You can write the comment secret bend, and I'm gonna know that you made it to those moments. Well done. Warrior 2. Come back to lounge. Meet with the group 1. And exhale. And now we're going on the knees. As well, you can go now to baby cobra, or we can go for little stretch like this way. So one leg gonna go on half point, but I mean, if you feel like you can go all the way to the lounge like this way, what we do the arm somehow around your calf area, and we're gonna just go to this direction and changing the leg. Maybe first bring the arm, I would say between, kind of from knee to the toe. You like place it between. Leg could be here, it's not important. Important to open your chest, tuck your tailbone in. You can feel now this part very nice and stretchy. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale slowly from the side. If it's hard, but you bored in cobra, you can do like this. Yes, same thing like this way, and you change. Or you can place it lower. If you want more, you can place the arm, I would say, could be even here, I would say, like this way. And then you can play with this leg, or you can even elevate it. Not for me today. Yeah, so we can try to play it further and even maybe place the arm here or go here. Yeah. Later you can pause and spend a little bit more time. But now we're gonna go to the back. We're gonna elevate the glutes. Just stay here. Ideally, maybe bring legs on something higher. And just maybe elevate a few times your hips here. And stay. Add one leg maybe. Maybe not. Can make it open. Come back and change. Open. Back. Come back and change. And later you can add there. Till down, up. Switch the leg. Down, up. Open, close. Something like this. And of course could be some bridge. For me, best warm up in bridge is a little walk or little like push-ups. Feels very good. But we all different and it's okay. After we go for the belly, just hold the back up, maybe with legs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Compensation. A little bit of abs. You can bounce like this as well. Or you can bring your legs on something, especially if I have, for example, like 4-minute break and I want to do something really fast. I just do kind of like this thing and I can just bounce, or I can go like this and then I can add like this thing, just like your favorite track, and hold it, hold it, hold it. You can add the kind of mountain climber thing, and when you're done, important is compensation. So for us today it will be let's do 90, arms behind and cat cow. We start inhale, exhale, round, inhale, exhale. Later you can lower yourself and go to the twist. Then switch, elevate, cat cow, exhale, exhale, and lower, some twist, and meet me in frog position or diamond. Inhale, open your palms, hold, exhale through the mouth. One more inhale. Thank yourself for this practice. I thank you for the practice, and have a lovely day. Thank you so much. Exhale. Feel free to stay in this position. Or if you feel like, you can go on my channel and find the video deep leg stretch or something like that, and you can get a little bit more of your day. Thank you. Bye. I hope you enjoyed. So the winners of today's classes are my mom and Arta. Thank you so much for the class. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you another time. Bye.